Hello friend, welcome to Around the World Reviews YouTube channel. This video discuss about by 10 top rated Austria Sky Resorts to book in 2023. So let's start my video. 10 top rated Austria Sky Resorts to book in 2023. Summary: Austria top rated Sky Resort in 2023 offer a winter wonderland experience with pristine slopes and alpine charm. ST Anthem is perfect for expert skiers with challenging runs and off-piste opportunities, while Kids Jubilee is ideal for everyone else with a charming town and diverse skiing option. Luxor and Alberge settle to royalty and celebrate offer high-end lodging and exclusive skiing, while Moroccan attracted powder around and snowboarder with outstanding trains park and great value for money. Embracing the pristine alpine landscape, the top-rated ski resort for the year 2023 promise an unforgettable winter wonderland experience in Austria. Nestled event, snow-covered peak and charming alpine villages. These destinations cater to skiers for all levels, from Adelaide, Austrian Alps, St. Anton, Alberge. St. Anton is one of Europe and the world top resort for experienced skiers with some of the most challenging runs in the Alps. It holds an important place in ski history as the site of the first ski club in the Alps. This is the place to be for expert skiers. It's not place for beginners. Beginners high of 2,800 meter. St. Anthem is known for its off-piste opportunities for advantage skiers. Kilometer of slopes and pistes. Accommodation: St. Anthem 365 address, 1 Glasley 6580 cycle, Anthem and Alberge Trail. Amenities: free parking, ski, babysitting, all child care. Kids Behel. While St. Anthem is the best coastal resort for expert skiers, Kidswell is the top choice for everyone else. Charming, the romantic, the world first town of Kidswell is in the Alps, vertical in place. Accommodation: a rose which will address red caps, 7 Kidswell Terrell. Amenities: indoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi. Lectures Alberts. Now connect to nearby St. Anton by the new Flexones Cavalway. The villain of lunch is a favorite bold hall of royalty and celebration with a cluster of high-end causing an air of peaceful low-key alternative with access to the same sky strand. Accommodation: hotel, there's hub address HNR 756763 Zora World. Amenities: indoor pool, spa and wellness center, bar, lounge, free parking. Marofan. Both powder hounds and snowboarders love Marofan for its outstanding terrain, parks of and vast open snowfield on the higher slopes, but there is plenty here for all levels of skiers and border the every value silence course of Unterberg, where international skiers stand for competition. Accommodation: hotel, New Post, address Nupshire Press 460-290 Marofan Taylor. Amenities: outdoor pool, indoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant. Solden. When high altitude and linked to glacier, Solden is assured some of Austria's most reliable snow, with the added appeal of almost year-round skiing on the glacier, which reach a high point of 3,250 meters. Although warming climates makes this less certain, is not mountain. Accommodation: Alpen just off Gander, address Oberwolfenstedt 1964 50 Solden Trail. amenities: bar, lounge, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Iskal. I thought it has long held the reputation as the Artsy Spring capital of Alps. It has lots of serious scars to love to the high altitude north facing slope places, good snow and dropping Maryland with its street seating. Accommodation: Hotel Friana Iskal. Address: Fimbajan 6561 Epes Taylor. Amenities: indoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi. Is Seoul, the second largest ski area in Australia, of a perfect vacation and a major resort of a dozen Sky World Village. Seoul offers the some of the best value in the Australian Alps. Thought it provides skier with 240 kilometers of picture pressed by 90 lifts. The charming Tyrolean village has budget-friendly accommodation and dining that extends the largely great intermediate percent covered by snowmaking. Accommodation: house is staggered, amenities: kitchen, terrace, patio, coffee machine, refrigerator. Zell MC. The spectacular views of the lake returned by the soaring snow-covered peak are so overwhelming that skiers at Zell MC may have trouble penetrating and the snow, but they don't need to. Its center. Accommodation: Hotel Latini. Address: Kids Guest in Horn Stable for 5700 MC Salzburg. Amenities: indoor pool, spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi. Sal Beach Interglam. The village of Silbank and Interglam near Salzburg combined with the nearby resort circuit rather than repeating the sum runs. Accommodation: Glams via Avenida Superior Hotels and Residence. Address: Cafe Firers 28 and Swellbirch, Salzburg. Amenities: spa and wellness center, restaurant, free Wi-Fi, free parking. Alp Beach. Alp is a cluster of traditional zone and timber-surreal building that been named Austria's prettiest village in the snow-covered slopes, the peak of Wonderstone and beginner slopes on the Wild Journey. Accommodation: Gertio's Skinner. Address: Alp Beach 216 Alp Beach Terrell. Amenities: free Wi-Fi, free parking, free toiletries. We hope you like the item we recommended and discuss the Travelers affiliate and sponsor partnership. So we receive a share of the revenue from some of your purchase. This won't affect the price you pay and help us offer the best product recommendation. So guys, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं मिलता हूँ आपको वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए बाय।